Hey there, it's T with another T's Teaching Tidbit. Today we're going to talk about translating or converting degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius and to degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know about you, but even as an adult, it can be confusing because we use the US customary system. We don't use the metric system. However, most of the rest of the world does, and it is expected that a child know how to convert or change degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit and back again. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way or a formula to do just that. So let's get started. I've taken one of my tips of using a sheet protector so that this can provide additional practice for your child. I just wrote in degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit in the formula. Okay? When we write this down, we put it into a sheet protector. Your child can then roll dice to come up with some random temperatures and convert them. I've also done that for Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's get started with the degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit first. The formula goes like this. You have degrees Celsius, you multiply it by 1 8/10, you add 32, and you'll get the exact degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to choose 20 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius. We're going to multiply that by 1 8/10, which gets us 36. You add that 36 to 32 and you get the exact temperature of 68 degrees. Now, there's another way you can quickly do it in your head that may take a lot less time, but you will not get an exact measure. You'll get an about temperature. So we're going to take that same 20 degrees, but we're going to multiply it by 20 and then add 30. So 20 degrees times 20 is 40. Okay. And then we're going to add 30. And you come up with about a 70-degree temperature. So if you want to quickly do that in your head and not have to do the dividing, this is a really quick and simple way. So that's how you change degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Sheet protector, dry erase marker, the formula, of course, and a couple of foam dice from the dollar store. All right, so I did promise you, in addition to translating degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. I have followed the same process, degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, and we're going to choose 59 degrees, which is a nice degree temperature to be thinking about in most states in this country right now because it's winter time. So we're going to take 59 degrees. We're going to subtract 32, which would give us 27. And then 27 divided by 1 8/10 is 15 degrees Celsius. Now, again, this is the exact temperature, but if you want to quickly do a formula so that you can kind of know approximately the temperature, this is the way to do it, the second method. So you take the degrees Fahrenheit, which again is 59. You subtract 30. Okay, so 59 subtract 30 is 29. And 29 divided by 2 is 14.5 or 14 5/10 or 14 and a half. So again, the squiggly lines for the equal sign means about. So the about temperature for this formula is 14 and a half degrees, and you can see that it's off by just a half of a degree. So here you go. If you do the easy way with the degrees, you subtract 30, divide by 2, you get an about. I hope this easy method helps you to help your child convert those very tricky metric measurements to US customary and back again. Please subscribe to this channel and click like. I'd love to hear your feedback and comments about how these videos are helping you help your child with math. Thank you.